So before I gave my heart to the Lord, I was really navigating life by myself. I had set plans and goals that I really thought were going to bring me a level of satisfaction, only to find myself ending up empty every time and wondering, why do I still feel empty even though I've achieved this, aspiration or this relationship? I still feel empty. And so the Lord over the years, he would grant my requests and he would give me the desires of my heart. And where that got me was realizing that I didn't know what was best for my life. It led me to a place of brokenness where I reached out to God and I admitted to him that I need him and that I needed him to guide me. I needed him to get me out of where I was. And it was the first time that I got down on my knees and I prayed for God to show me his will for my life. And promptly afterwards, he revealed the first step. And after heeding to his voice, I found myself here today, and I can honestly tell you that it was the best decision of my life. He's brought me joy back again, and he's picked up the pieces and made them beautiful. We pray you experience God's joy this season. Merry Christmas from Lakeview Assembly.